guys, it's Hooligan here. We're at Teesside Skate Park today. It's my local skate park, but I'm not too fussed on it, to be honest. Like. Yeah, I'm gonna ride this today. Yeah, there's a little bit damp in here, but still manage. Try and get tyres up on that thrasher bit, is it? It's like a bank to wall ride. Yeah, it's not all going to be chest cap. I will take it off in a minute. It's not too bad, it's more like a bowl in it, it's like one big bowl. It's hard to get it empty. It's been built now for over a year and this is the first time I've done a video here. And I live up the road. Right, let's try and get some clips.
You might see me on the seas, or on the road in a summer breeze. That's because the roof comes off. You might see me in the submarine.
I got the submarine, cause I'm about to go in deep. Don't pretend you got love for me, I don't share bad company. They say the bad luck comes in threes. My future looked over bleak. I'm just glad I've been paying tax, cause these days I see loads of police. These days I see loads of police. We were gangsters back then, but these days they're nobodies. I do big shows overseas. This is artwork like the Mona Lisa. I don't go in these days, I go underneath. But you can do that when you got a submarine. Looking at the world through tinted windows. I can make it pop like Pringles. Them I wanna get involved, but I just put it in stealth mode. Sticking to the road like Velcro. And the calipers are red like Elmo. It's not a Batman thing anymore. It's not a 3-bedroom thing anymore. I told them I'm gonna need LED lights, and I think I'm gonna need to put them in the floor, cause I need the lighting right. Have you ever seen lightning strike? 2 on the front, 1 on the back, snorting like a cycling bike. You might see me in a submarine, but me I never got degrees. You better not count to 3, by then I'll be hitting speeds. You might see me on the seas, or on the road with a summer's breeze. That's cause the roof comes off.
Fair play. That 180 took ages.
You might see me in a submarine. Used to be the writing type. I have books and books full of lyrics, but now it's just me and the mic. I talk to it like I would a psychiatrist. I'm from the roads where the fire is. If you're gassed, you're gonna need heat, and you might have to make some inquiries. When you see me, I'm with a lioness, with them golden curls dripping in finesse. When I seen that the roof came off, I just knew from there I was buying.
Yeah, we'll have a next round now on this little Tino. See if we can get a few bits on it.
Now I got shit to lose, I gotta get a grip of this. Feels like I see so many diamonds these days that I might go and get some prescription lenses. I had to forget about friendships, Balenciagas and Fendis. I've got man talking about my roadside reputation like it was horrendous. Did he forget, make him remember? I was tackling man like a defender. I was gloved up in a blender, mixing a flitty with a bender, sending it out with an agenda. I was 18 years old and I had 5 workers all shutting off thing to the point that I had to jump over the fence. I had money buried on the golf course back then, and it never got spent.
One thing what I do want to try and get, which I can't, it's like coping tricks. Just can't hop out and land on like the rail sort of thing. I was just fucking, either land on top or I just can't get into the right angle.
Submarine, for me I never got degrees. You better not count to 3, by then I'll be hitting speeds. You might see me on the seas, or on the road with a summer's breeze. That's cause the roof comes off, you might see me in the submarine. Treason's breaking the law, declaration of war. If the shades came off you the saw, there's a golden bull on the front of the car, not a horse. Them when I'm still talking about them when I'm in Lamborghini talking Hurricane. Give me a sparkling water, cause I'm about payment down to 210. If anybody thought it was the least, he should guess again. I'm famous to the famous guys. When I walk in the room, everybody gets tense. I'm famous to the famous guys. When I walk in the room, everybody gets. You might see me in a submarine. With me, I never got degrees. You better not count to 3. By then I'll be hitting speeds. You might see me overseas. I on the road with a summer's breeze. That's cause the roof comes off. You might see me in a submarine. You might see me in a submarine. With me, I never got degrees. You better not count to 3. Cause by then I'll be hitting speeds. You might see me on the seas. I on the road with a summer's breeze. That's cause the roof comes off. You might see me in a submarine.
See what else now I can do on that. I did just say it once, but you know, it is my mini vlog. You don't turn the camera on recording it, you just talk it yourself, like not even a camera. So awesome.
They said my last album, I sounded bitter. No, I sound like a spitter. 90% of these hypocrites are trying to get rid of. But why would I get a chicken?
We'll try and clear that whole bump width ways now that way.
Considered one time as the illest. Bitch, I'm still as fly as a zipper. True, I just get richer, but if it was ever all about Skrilla, then I would've quit her long motherfucking time ago. Bitch, shut the fuck up, I should go say that shit to Tech 9 or the Jigger. Nobody says shit about
I overshot it
as long as he's been here. Shit, no wonder you're mad now. Looking at them blacks, count them.
I'm about to grab it and land on the transition.
I sell like 4 mil when I put out a bad album. Revival flop came back and I scared the crap out of them. Rolling Stone stars, I get 2.5 out of 5 and I laugh out loud, cause that's what they gave back in the day, which actually made me not feel as bad now, cause if it happened to James, it can happen to Shady. They do the same shit to Brady. More people hate me than love me. This game will make you go crazy, but to go for B-O-O-K-E. I was the G, the O-A-T. Once I was played in rotation at every radio station. They said I'm lyrically amazing, but I have nothing to say. But then when I put out Revival and I had something to say, they said that they hated the awake me. I lose the rage, I'm too tame, I get it back. They say I'm too angry, I need to give me some gravy. Snow, I should hook up with Takey. Fans keep on pulling me one way, haters pull me in another. Got more hooks in me than Swaley. Got to pick up some weights and lift to my tattoo of Haley's face stretches. They said I'm just a whiner, I sound like a baby. I dish it out, but can't take it, but I take it.
Yes, this is T-Sign Skate Park, pretty much. The end of the video as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Cause lately, instead of us being credited for longevity and being able to keep it up for this long at this level, we get told we'll never be what we were, bitch. If I was this half as good as I was, I'm still twice as good as you'll ever be. Only way that you're ahead of me's alphabetically, cause if you diss me, I'm coming after you like the letter V. Killing everything, play this tune that you